Source E. Harris Poll. Abolish the penny? A majority of the public says no. The following are data from an independent poll. Favor abolishing the penny? Would you favor or oppose abolishing the penny so that the nickel would be the lowest denomination coin? The total who responded to this poll who were in favor of abolishing the penny was 23%. Those who oppose abolishing the penny were 59%. 18% who responded were unsure. Based on income. For those who earn less than $25,000 a year, 16% are in favor of abolishing the penny, while 62% oppose abolishing the penny, and 21% are unsure. For those with income between $25,000 and $34,900 a year, 26% favor the penny, while 59% oppose abolishing the penny. 15% are not sure. For those who earn $35,000 to $49,900 a year, 25% are in favor of abolishing the penny, 58% oppose abolishing the penny, and 17% are not sure. For those who earn $50,000 and $74,900 a year, 24% are in favor of abolishing the penny, and 57% oppose abolishing the penny. 20% are not sure. For those who earn $75,000 a year or more, 32% favor abolishing the penny, 53% oppose abolishing the penny, and 15% are not sure. The Harris Poll was conducted online within the United States between June 10 and 16, 2004, among a nationwide cross-section of 2,136 adults, ages 18 and over.